Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find coupons using your phone number in the Temu app. This is a great way to turn off spam and save money while shopping. So let's get started. Open the Temu app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Temu app on the home page at the bottom of the screen, you can see an icon where you write and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see an option where you write coupons and offers that you will click on. Click on the coupons and offers option. The next page will open where you will be redirected to the option self-service to find coupons that you will click on. The app will open a new page where you will select the field. Enter your phone number to find coupons and click on the field. Then the app will ask you to enter your phone number in the field. Once you have entered it, click on the Find Coupons option. You will receive a text message containing a 6-digit number that you can enter in the empty fields. Once you do this, the Temu app will open the following page where you can see your coupons. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can easily find and use coupons with your phone number in the Temu app. It's a super convenient way to save some extra money while shopping. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.